Good afternoon and welcome to our webinar, Three Problems with Video Marketing. I am Dennis Schaefer, Director of Marketing for Pixel Inc., and will be hosting the webinar today. After the presentation, we will be taking questions live and making a special offer. So let's get started. Video is the biggest thing in marketing today. But how can you use video marketing to grow your business? Why does video marketing succeed? And why does it fail? And what does bizVideo have to do with all of this? In this webinar, we will explore these questions and more. You will learn about the three problems responsible for most video marketing failures. You will learn what it takes to use video marketing effectively and with confidence. You will also learn the secret that holds the key to your video marketing success. Video dominates every aspect of marketing today, and for good reason. When it's done right, it produces results. For instance, viewers retain 95% of a message when they watch it in a video, but only 10% when reading it in text. That explains why so many text-heavy web pages or advertisements get so little results. Product videos can increase purchases by up to 144%, which may explain why marketers who use video grow their revenues 49% faster than those who do not. Video is a powerful and proven marketing tool, but like any tool, you have to know how to use it to get good results. Unfortunately, most video marketing suffers from three inherent problems. Now, you won't find anybody else out there talking or writing about these three problems. But in this webinar, we will identify and explain all three. Then we will share with you the biggest secret in video marketing. So what are these three issues, these three problems that drive video success or failure? To help us answer those questions today is AJ Segar, President of Pixel Inc. Good afternoon, AJ.
Good afternoon, Dennis, and good afternoon to all our attendees.
Well, let's get right to it. What is the first problem with video marketing?
The problem with video is that it has to be seen. If no one ever sees your video, it has no power. It produces no results. So you have to make it easy for people to find your video and to view it. The best way to do that is with a bizVideo campaign.
Well, it may sound like Captain Obvious. My video has to be seen. But it's a critical point. If no one ever sees my video, I won't get any results. Thankfully, bizVideo takes care of that. So problem number one is I have to get people to see my video. Okay, so what is problem number two?
Did you know that Disney spent over $100 million marketing Frozen 2? They did that because the movie cannot market itself, and your video cannot market itself either. That's why you need a bizVideo campaign. bizVideo makes it easy to promote your video, and it costs a lot less than $100 million.
Well, Frozen 2 grossed over $1 billion, so I guess Disney's investment paid off. Maybe Disney should open a bizVideo account. For $149, they could save a lot of money. So problem number two is that I need to market or promote my video. Okay, so tell me about problem number three. What is that?
The third problem is that video cannot capture any information for you. It does not know if anyone watched. It doesn't know if anyone has any interest or wants to buy your product. A bare video cannot gather any information. But you know what? A bizVideo campaign can.
Well, I get it. My video cannot capture any information for me. So what kind of information can my bizVideo campaign capture for me?
bizVideo tells you how many times your campaign has been viewed. That's one way you can monitor the success of your campaign.
Right. If I get a ton of views, my campaign is producing results. What else?
bizVideo can show you who is interested in your video or your product. If they request more information or ask a question, you know they are interested.
Well, I see what you mean. If they weren't interested, they wouldn't bother to ask for more information or opt in to my mailing list. But how do I respond? How do I follow up?
bizVideo can capture their name, email address, and phone number. Now you can respond directly to them. You can answer their questions and follow up with more information and close the sale.
Well, that's right. I want to follow up with my new leads, but to do that, I need their contact data. Actually, that's one of my biggest problems with social media. I don't really know who I'm dealing with, and direct contact through the platform is almost impossible. And bizVideo provides a solution to all of that. So now I understand the three problems of video marketing. The first is my video has to be seen. Second is my video cannot market itself. And the third problem is my video cannot capture the information I need to be successful.
Your bizVideo campaign solves all three of these problems. And that's the biggest secret in video marketing, that you need to wrap your video in a campaign, solve these problems, and be effective. That's how bizVideo harnesses the true power of video marketing.
And harnessing the true power of video marketing is how I can grow my business. But what kind of business can use bizVideo?
Any business can use bizVideo, online or brick and mortar. We have worked with businesses like real estate, insurance, coaches, financial services, government contractors, technology companies, online affiliate sales, and even networking groups.
Sounds like most any kind of business can use bizVideo. Well, I'd like to thank you, AJ, for sharing your information and the secrets of video marketing and bizVideo. Now, if you have any questions or comments, please use the Zoom chat function, and we will answer as many questions as we can. If you are watching a recording of this webinar, you can still submit your questions. Fill out the contact form and use the comments section. If you would like to try bizVideo, you can take advantage of our bizVideo limited account for only $49.95. All attendees will receive an email with a link for information on how to order their bizVideo limited account. If you're watching the recording, you will find the link below the video player. We will be conducting a new webinar every 2 weeks. Now, the next webinar is titled 11 Ways to Make Money with bizVideo. In that webinar, you will learn how you can use bizVideo to grow your business and how to turn bizVideo itself into a business. Watch for your invitation, or you can register for the webinar on our website. Please join us.